everyone, start off by taking a square sheet of paper, fold it over diagonally, horizontally and vertically as well. Make this diamond-like shape out of it, lift the bottom edge upwards. Do this for all 4 of the sides that are present. Now once you're done with it, take each of the edges and puff it outside as such. After you puff it outside, take each of the edges and insert it inside. This will give it a neater look. Now take a green sheet of paper, fold it up into this triangle and afterwards cut it up as such. Once you open it up, it should look like this. Now add this little stem to it as well and stick both of these to the top of your strawberry. Now add black dots all over the body. Now in order to make these frogs, we'll start off by taking a strip of paper, diagonally fold it at the bottom and the top as such and open it out. Now using the patterns that you've created, fold it accordingly. Fold the edge over upwards and then outside as well. Do this for the top and the bottom. Reverse the side, fold the bottom edge upwards and then fold in the sides into the bottom edge as such. Now after this, fold it into half and then fold it back out. Now once you have done so, add eyes to the front of it and then add the arms and the legs at the back. Next, take this container, take the cap of the container and put clay into it as such. Now, take some twigs and then insert it into this clay. After you are done with this, take little pieces of clay, make balls out of it and then arrange it in a circular shape. Now add lines to it and within it, add a white piece of clay to it. Now add these flowers to each of the twigs as such. Add the container on top of it and there you have it. You may add some lights within it as well. Next, start off by taking a blue sheet of paper, then take 2 green strips of paper and fold them one on top of the other as such in order to make a spring-like shape. Add glue to some pieces of it and then afterwards arrange them randomly in different parts. Now take green paper, make this little paddy leaf out of it and then add frogs' faces to it as well and then stick all of these at the top of it. Draw on little tadpoles all about as well with the tail and everything else. Start off by taking some tissue paper, cut it up into little squares and fold it up into triangles. Make this V shape cut out of it and now color it in different colors. Once you open it up, it should look like a flower. Make multiple of these. Now take the thicker portion of a cup and afterwards take some clay and then arrange the clay around this thicker portion. Now add clay on top of your flowers and then insert it through it. This will help it stay as such. Arrange all of your flowers around it and then put it around your arm. Next, take a pink strip of paper that is 21 by 6 centimeters and then afterwards make multiple slits to it. Add tape to one end of it, roll up each of these slits. Make a cylindrical shape out of some green paper and now wrap this pink paper around the green as such. Now once you're done with it, this is what it should look like. Take 2 more strips of paper, fold it into half, cut it out into this leaf-like shape. Fold the bottom edge upwards, add tape to it and then afterwards stick it on either end. Now make multiple of these and then you may insert it into a vase. We'll start off by taking a piece of paper and then afterwards take this little container as well. Make a small slit within the container. This way, add this diagonal piece of paper to it as well. Make 2 slits, one at the top and one at the bottom. Cut out this cat shape and then make 2 slits to the cat as well. Now stick the container behind it according to the holes that are present and then after you insert one piece into it, it'll come out through the belly as such. Next, start off by taking some leaves and then take a straw as well. Taking the straw in the bendable portion of it, spread it out and then make multiple cuts to it. Cut off the excess portion of the straw as such. Now begin to make multiple slits onto the portion of the straw. Now after this, make multiple slits to it on the top. Insert the longer end through it and then afterwards move it as you please. Add dots to the sides of it and then add eyes to the front as well. Thank you for watching.